Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some general knowledge culinary arts trivia. What is the main ingredient in sushi? Is it A, rice, B, fish, C, noodles, or D, seaweed? The correct answer is A, rice. Which herb is known for its use in pesto? Is it A, parsley, B, basil, C, cilantro, or oregano? The correct answer is B, basil. What type of pasta resembles small rice? Is it A, fusilli, B, penne, C, spaghetti, or D, orzo? The correct answer is D, orzo. Which fruit is often used to make guacamole? Is it A, banana, B, avocado, C, tomato, or D, apple? The correct answer is B, avocado. What is the French term for a soup made from fish? Is it A, gazpacho, B, bouillabaisse, C, bisque, or D, chowder? The correct answer is B, bouillabaisse. What cooking method involves immersion in hot fat? Is it A, deep frying, B, boiling water, C, steaming vegetables, or D, grilling meat? The correct answer is A, deep frying. Which vegetable is typically used to make sauerkraut? Is it A, spinach, B, cabbage, C, carrot, or D, beet? The correct answer is B, cabbage. What type of cheese is typically used on pizzas? Is it A, mozzarella, B, brie, C, Swiss, or D, cheddar? The correct answer is A, mozzarella. Which spice is known for giving curry its yellow color? Is it A, paprika, B, saffron, C, cumin, or D, turmeric? The correct answer is D, turmeric. What is the main ingredient in hummus? Is it A, peas, B, lentils, C, chickpeas, or D, rice? The correct answer is C, chickpeas. Which type of pastry is used to make eclairs? Is it A, puff, B, short crust, C, phyllo, or D, choux? The correct answer is D, choux. What is the primary ingredient in chocolate? Is it A, cocoa, B, sugar, C, vanilla, or D, milk? The correct answer is A, cocoa. What type of bread is used for a Reuben sandwich? Is it A, whole wheat, B, rye, C, sourdough, or D, white? The correct answer is B, rye. What is the main component of mayonnaise? Is it A, egg yolk, B, mustard, C, vinegar, or D, olive oil? The correct answer is A, egg yolk. Which sauce is known as a symbol of French cuisine? Is it A, hollandaise, B, bechamel, C, soy sauce, or D, pesto? The correct answer is A, hollandaise. Which cooking technique uses low and slow heat, often in a sealed container? Is it A, braising, B, roasting, C, sautéing, or D, steaming? The correct answer is A, braising. What kind of alcohol is typically used in a mojito? Is it A, gin, B, rum, C, vodka, or D, tequila? The correct answer is B, rum. What type of vegetable is typically pickled to make kimchi? Is it A, cucumbers, B, spinach, C, lettuce, or D, Napa cabbage? The correct answer is D, Napa cabbage. Which ingredient is essential for making bread rise? Is it A, water, B, baking soda, C, flour, or D, yeast? The correct answer is D, yeast. What type of nut is traditionally used in marzipan? Is it A, walnuts, B, cashews, C, pistachios, or D, almonds? The correct answer is D, almonds. Which fish is used primarily to make caviar? Is it A, trout, B, salmon, C, sturgeon, or D, catfish? The correct answer is C, sturgeon. What is the name for the process of soaking cheese in brine? Is it A, brining, B, aging, C, pickling, or D, curing? The correct answer is A, brining. Which cooking technique involves cooking foods in a small amount of water? Is it A, sautéing, B, steaming, C, boiling, or D, braising? The correct answer is B, steaming. Which fruit is dried to make raisins? Is it A, grapes, B, apples, C, cherries, or D, bananas? The correct answer is A, grapes. Which cheese is known for its blue veins? Is it A, Roquefort, B, cheddar, C, Gouda, or D, feta? The correct answer is A, Roquefort. What is the main ingredient in borscht? Is it A, beetroot, B, carrot, C, cabbage, or D, potato? The correct answer is A, beetroot. What type of fish is primarily used in sushi making? Is it A, trout, B, salmon, C, cod, or D, tuna? The correct answer is D, tuna. What is the basic method for making stock? Is it A, roasting, B, simmering, C, freezing, or D, boiling? The correct answer is B, simmering. What traditional Italian dish is made with various cheeses and pastas? Is it A, lasagna, B, fettuccine gnocchi is a potato dumpling dish, not a baked pasta with cheese. Risotto is a creamy rice dish not made with pasta. Fettuccine is a type of pasta, not a dish that includes a layering of cheeses and pasta like lasagna. C, gnocchi, or D, risotto. The correct answer is A, lasagna. What term describes the process of cooking food in an airtight bag? Is it A, steam infusion, B, pressure cooking, C, boil and bag, or D, sous vide? The correct answer is D, sous vide. Which vegetable is primarily used in a traditional ratatouille? Is it A, zucchini, B, eggplant, C, carrot, or D, bell pepper? The correct answer is B, eggplant. What is the primary flavoring agent in Worcestershire sauce? Is it A, garlic, B, anchovies, C, soy sauce, or D, vinegar? The correct answer is B, anchovies. What type of bread is often used for burgers? Is it A, pita bread, B, sourdough bread, C, white bread, or D, brioche? The correct answer is D, brioche. What is a common ingredient in Thai curry? Is it A, olive oil, B, tomato sauce, C, coconut milk, or D, chicken broth? The correct answer is C, coconut milk. Which tool is used to emulsify sauces like vinaigrette? Is it A, fork, B, blender, C, whisk, or D, spoon? The correct answer is C, whisk. What dish is made by layering cinnamon, phyllo, and nuts? Is it A, nafe, B, strudel, C, galactobareko, or D, baklava? The correct answer is D, baklava. Which culinary term means to cut into tiny pieces? Is it A, brunoise julienne, C, chiffonade, or D, mirepoix? The correct answer is A, brunoise. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.